Just black and white.
Okay, hey guys, so I'm making this section for how to change the air filter in your Hyundai ix35. So I've got the oil draining at the moment, and I'll patch that in the video with the magic of video editing. But for this one, what you gotta do is just gotta undo these clips. There's 1, 2 and 1 at the back here, 3 and 1 down here. 4 clips, and this whole panel should just lift up. And as you can see here, here's the air filter, and we are going to pull it out of the assembly if we can. She's in there snugly. Struggling to do everything with one hand, and here we go. We got it now. And as you can see here, it looks fairly dirty. Yeah, it's not the dirtiest filter that I've seen, but it's, yeah, fairly dirty. Let's open up the new one. Okay, here's our new filter compared to the old one, and we'll just make sure, yeah, it's the right shape. Yep, and let's just go replace it. And the oil is draining nicely under the car. So for this one, all you gotta do is you gotta lift up this panel again, and I'll see if I can do it all with one hand while holding onto the camera somehow. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause the video for a sec. Okay, so guys, here we go. So the new filter is back in. All you gotta do is you gotta put it back together and put these clips back on again. So that's also pretty difficult to do with one hand. Let me see if I can get it. There we go, that's 1, and there's 2, there's 1 at the back. 3, and come on, 4, and here's the 4th one. There you go. That's your air filter change in Hyundai ix35, and I'll see you guys in the next section on how to change the oil filter.
Just black and white.